Hi guys, this is Mrs. Watson. I'm not going to be here today and tomorrow, but I know that you're going to be amazing with your substitute and on your best behavior because I rave about you and I know that you will do the best you can do. So today I want you to work on a project called the City Designer, and I want you to make your own city. So it's called the City Designer. Okay, and it asks you to have the following things to receive full credit. First, you need to have 5 parallel streets. Each street must be named. So what you're going to do for that, make sure that everything is parallel. Okay, then you need to have 2 transversal streets. Each street must be named. Remember, transversal cuts through parallel lines. So you can draw them anywhere. This is open to you. You can add anything that you would like to make as long as you meet the requirements. So maybe I'll put a transversal here and maybe one here. Okay? Then it says a gas station and a restaurant. Alternate exterior angles. So exterior angles need to be on the outside. So maybe you could put an exterior angle here and then an exterior angle here. See how this is the inside right here, right where that area? These are on the outside and they're opposite. Okay? That could be for number 1. Your house and a school, same side interior angles. Maybe I could put them right here. A courthouse and a bank, you know what vertical angles are. A general store and a church, corresponding angles. A library and a park, alternate interior angles. You need to label everything. If you would like to ask the substitute teacher, he can show you how I labeled my example. I drew some very nice things like a courthouse. I drew a cross for a church. I named all my streets. I drew a school. I really hope that yours will look a lot more creative than mine will because mine was done in blue pen. There's paper up here, there's rulers, there's markers. You know that everything needs to be put back. You know to be responsible with markers. I hope that they won't be in the bins because I know they won't be in the bins. They need to be returned back to the box. Be as creative as you want. As long as you fulfill everything, then you'll be fine. Now, if you look at the back of your sheet, it says that the locations are 3 points each and that everything else is 2 or 4, depending on what's going on. Make sure you include a city name. Make sure it's neat. This is worth 25 points. You know, if you're struggling to pass in some certain ways, this is a great way to redeem your grade and to do something positive for yourself. Okay? If you finish early, you're going to work on the area of polygons worksheet, or you can work on homework. And then on Friday, you're going to work on lesson 8.1.2, or excuse me, 8.2.1. I need you to really, really work hard on this. If you need to grab a book in the back, do your best. We will talk about some of this on Monday, but I'm really expecting you to work hard. Remember how we talked about with similarity? We have we're small, so we have like a big shape over a small shape. And if you want, the substitute can play this again for you on Friday. That's not a very small shape there, is it? I really want you to focus on area, though. So I want you to see what's happening. If I have a shape right here and it's 8, and then I go and this side is 2. The zoom factor there would be 4, because 8 over 2 equals 4. I want you to really focus on that information. And then I want you to, that's for like a side. But then I want you to think about what happens with our areas. For instance, if I find the area of this square, 8 times 8 is 64. And if I find the area of the square, the smaller one, 2 times 2 is 4. If I compare those, I get 64 over 4, which is 16. What's the relationship between 4 and 16? I know 4 times 4 is 16, but how else could I say that? Is there a better way to say that? Could I say squared or cubed or something like that? That's a relationship I'm really looking for with areas, okay? So if you want, you can ask the substitute to rewatch this on Friday, this part of the movie, so you can have that. But I expect the best behavior, and I know you'll do that. I hope that this will be everything you need. Any help, remember to ask the substitute, or you can always send me an email. And I look forward to seeing you when I get back. Thank you.